Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing a 7 carat weight total lab diamond tennis necklace from James Allen. This necklace cost $6,580 and I'll have a link to it on James Allen's site down in the video description. And if you visit that link, you may notice that it's actually on sale. So at the time of recording this video, it's on sale. They're running their 25% off promo. The way you can know if it's on sale or not is if you click on that link, you'll actually see the price on there discounted. So for me, when I ordered this with tax, the total price was $5,317.47. But in this video, I want to unbox it, show you guys everything that it comes with, and show you it in both indoor and outdoor lighting so you can see what this thing actually looks like in real life. Inside the box, you'll see the nice James Allen box that they give you with the little embossed logo there on the top. And when we open it up, you'll see the envelope there at the top. That's where the necklace is sitting, the necklace case. But here on the bottom, we have a little drawer. And in that drawer, we have an envelope with your payment information inside of there and a couple other papers. And then we also have a little James Allen cleaning cloth there that you can use to clean your necklace or any other jewelry that you have. Now, getting on to the good stuff, I want to get straight to the good stuff. The necklace here on the top, open it up. This is going to reveal that beautiful 7 carat weight total lab diamond tennis necklace. So take a look at this image. This thing looks absolutely fantastic. Now, this is just in the indoor lighting, but let's also take it into some outdoor lighting so you can really see what it looks like. As you can see, when we take it outdoors, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Look at the way that it sparkles. I mean, it is just undeniable how great this thing looks. I think that tennis necklaces and tennis bracelets are some of the classiest jewelry, simply because usually they're pretty delicate and they have so much sparkle because there are diamonds going all the way around. And you just, no matter which way you look at them, you can't help but to get some sparkle. So, imagine you're outdoors, you're at a winery or something, enjoying your favorite wine, you're wearing this necklace. I mean, it is going to be sparkling in all directions when you're out in the sunlight. Absolutely unbelievable. And even in indoor lighting like you're seeing here, it still looks very, very nice. The last thing I want to show you very quickly is the clasp system. This has a clasp system that has 2 different secure connections. The first connection, you take the 2 pieces of the necklace, you slide them together, and then there's a little pin there that you put pressure on, and you will feel that necklace click into place. And if you pull on the necklace, you can see that it has a very secure connection. It is not coming apart. It is very secure. However, they do add an extra layer of protection with that top little piece. That little clasp there will collapse on that pin. It'll do a little click down, and now you have an extra layer of protection there as well. So that's how the clasp system works. And you'll also notice that the diamonds go all the way across the clasp, so you don't have a little missing portion of diamonds on your necklace. They go all the way to the end, which is really nice, that it's really, nice and uniform all the way around. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, all we ask is smash that thumbs up button. Like I said, if you want to check out this necklace or any of the other versions that they offer on James Allen's website, I will have a link down in the video description. And if you click on that link, you'll also be able to see if this specific necklace is on sale. And that sale does apply to all the different carat weights. So you can look at those options on their website and take a look for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Good luck on your diamond tennis necklace shopping.